Hi. So, my name is Rissa. Um, I'm trying to get into this vlog thing. Um, Gatorade, lunch. Sorry, I'm thirsty. But trying to get into this vlog thing for December. But also, I want to get more involved with my YouTube channel. So, trying to post more on that as well. But I'm just doing this like vlogging thing just to see how I like it. What did I do today? Today I went to work. Um, After that, I went grocery shopping. Also, with the month of December, I'm trying to not eat out as much. One, trying not to eat out as much. Two, trying to eat less meat, if no meat as possible. I did mess up at work though. We had like a Italian beef sandwich or something like that. I wasn't gonna eat meat, but since the roll was like cold, I didn't feel like warming it up, so I just ate it on the roll to keep the bread good, essentially. But when I went to the grocery store, didn't buy anything with meat. I do have like a thing of chicken salad in there. If anything, I'll eat fish, is what I'm thinking, because I did get like those, I do have those like tuna pouches, so I have a couple of those, but I can finish those up within this first week of December, and that should be fine. So not purchasing more than what I already have, and if I eat out, which I am trying not to, also not buying meat when I eat out as well. To the exception of eggs. There's just something, like I don't think I could ever go completely vegan. But cheese, some milk products, I try not to be too picky. So I won't be, not saying that's completely unreasonable, but I won't be that extreme. Also, I would never call myself vegan because it wouldn't extend more than the realms of what I'm eating, and vegan is a whole different thing. So try to eat a more plant-based diet, with very limited meat or flesh. What else am I doing? I didn't make it to the gym today because one, I think, well, I went grocery shopping, and I think that they close at 7 on Sundays or Saturdays. So, didn't get to do that. I need to do better about substituting out. So, if I don't go to the gym, I need to ride the bike I do have at home. So, I'll do better at that. I go in early tomorrow. It is now officially tomorrow, so it's Sunday, December 2nd. Depending on if I'm still up, I might attempt to go to the gym before I go into work today. If not, I will for sure go after work today. And maybe I will show you what I wear to the gym or show you a clip. But I'm not that into doing videos at the gym quite yet, so we'll see. I drank 28 ounces of water today, which is good for me because I drink 0 water all days. I have this. I'm trying to finish it, but I put protein powder in here, and almond chocolate milk. And then I also had gotten a hazelnut creamer of some sort. So I added a little bit to that as well. So sorry, when I had sugar just now, I spilled it. So I was looking for something to wipe it with. But and then I also have this. Another thing I wanted to try and limit was carbs, but I have a half loaf of bread and I have like a Danish thing, so I had to finish that as well because I throw away too much food. So I'm trying to do better with that as well. I'm sorry, I'm trying to like not look at myself but look at the camera but look at myself, so if I go back and forth, you know why. That's about it. I do appreciate you for viewing this video. If you want to stick around, see how this goes, this month goes, see how my vlogs turn out, and anything new that's coming up on my channel, please comment below, like, subscribe, and click the bell. But I, again, thank you for watching, and I hope that the videos that I post are entertaining and you can find something you like, because I'm very scattered, to put it best, and sometimes that's my best creative functionings. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you around.